back to my channel. Today the topic of my video is top 10 cryptocurrencies of July 23, 2024. So let's start. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to Dogecoin and Tether, there are thousands of different cryptocurrencies which can make it overwhelming when you are first getting started in the world of crypto. To help you get your bearings, there are the top 10 cryptocurrencies to invest in based on their market capitalization. So let's start. First of all, we will talk about Bitcoin. Market cap $1.3 trillion. Year over year return 128%. Created in 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin BTC is the original cryptocurrency. As with most cryptocurrencies, BTC runs on a blockchain or a ledger logging transaction distributed across a network of thousands of computers. Ethereum market cap is $421 billion. Year over year return is 88%. Both a cryptocurrency and a blockchain platform, Ethereum is a favorite of program developers because of its potential applications like so-called smart contracts that automatically execute when conditions are met and non-fungible tokens. Number 3 is Tether. Market cap is $114.3 billion. Year over year return is 0%. Unlike some other form of cryptocurrencies, Tether USDT is a stable coin, meaning it is blocked by fiat currencies like US dollars and the euro, and hypothetically keeps a value equal to one of those denominations in theory. So number 4 is Binance Coin, BNB. Market cap is $85.3 billion and year over year return is 145%. Binance Coin, BNB, is a form of cryptocurrency that you can use to trade and pay fees on Binance, one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world. Number 5 is Solana, SOL, Solana. Market cap is $81.2 billion. Year over year return is 638%. Developed to help power decentralized finance, uses decentralized apps and smart contracts. Solana runs on a unique hybrid proof of stake and proof of history mechanism to process transactions quickly and securely. Number 6 is US dollar coin, USDC. Market cap is $34.1 billion. Year over year return is 0.0%. Like Tether, USD coin is a stable coin, meaning it's blocked by US dollars and aims for a 1 USD to 1 USDC ratio. 7 is XRP. XRP market cap is $33.3 billion, whereas year over year return is -15%. Created by some of the same founders as Ripple, a digital technology and payment processing company, XRP can be used on that network to facilitate exchange of different cryptocurrencies type. Number 8 is Dogecoin. Doge market cap is $19.3 billion and over year over return is 74%. Dogecoin was famously started as a joke in 2013 but rapidly evolved into a prominent cryptocurrency thanks to a dedicated community and creative memes. Unlike many other cryptos, there is no limit on the number of Dogecoins that can be created, which leaves the currency. Number 9 is Toncoin. Ton market cap is $17.4 billion, whereas year over year return is 394%. Originally developed as a layer 1 blockchain for Telegram's encrypted messaging platform, Toncoin was soon abandoned before being taken over by the Ton Foundation. The project name was overchanged to the Open New York from its original name, Telegram Open Network. Number 10 is Cardano. Cardano marketplace is $15.1 billion. Year over year return is 36%. Somewhat later to the crypto scene, Cardano ADA is notable for its early embrace of proof of stake validation. This method expedites transaction time and decreases energy usage and environmental impact by removing the competitive problem-solving aspect of transaction verification in platforms like Bitcoin. Cardano also works like Ethereum to enable smart contracts and decentralized applications, which ADA its native coin powers. What is cryptocurrency? Is a form of currency that exists solely in a digital form. Cryptocurrency can be used to pay for purchases online without going through an intermediary such as a bank, or it can be held as an investment. See you in next video. BNB market cap is $85.3 billion and year over year return is 145%. Binance Coin. BNB is a form of cryptocurrency that you can use to trade and pay fees on Binance, one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world. Number 5 is Solana. SOL Solana market cap is $81.2 billion. Year over year return is 638%. Developed to help power decentralized finance, uses decentralized apps and smart contracts. Solana runs on a unique hybrid proof of stake and proof of history mechanism to process transactions quickly and securely. Number 6 is US dollar coin. USDC market cap is $34.1 billion. Year over year